pulling me down, spinning around when I'm thinking about it. I waited, wasting my time to regret. Lord, give me the strength to do this. Never been betrayed by someone that
I gave you my heart,
but it wasn't enough. Yeah.
'cause I had faith in you, faith in me and us. But now I'm keeping my hands to my body. Better get used to me dancing alone at the parties.
Feelings we out that away, don't know where it goes. Missing you, so I pray to make you come back home. 'Cause I can't bear this pain when everybody else seems so happy. Asking you why am I alone? You're standing alone with nobody. I'm losing my mind, losing my time, losing my grind, losing my prime, losing my shine, losing everything, but you seem so fine. Choosing the life, yours, my wife, I'm using like you choose to wipe me away in a way that I couldn't fight back. Recap on the thing that we used to be, couldn't believe, ambulance. You like a queen, like some beam, ice and queen, pricelessly treated you like you wish, lavishly, now lavishly vanished me, kicking me out. Ever since you perished, nothing can cherish me now. Yeah.
I gave you my heart, but it wasn't enough. 'Cause I had faith in you, faith in me and us. But now I'm keeping my hands to my body. Better get used to me dancing alone at the parties.
It's 4 a.m. in the morning, girl, I'm still awake. All the strength that I put couldn't make you stay. I'm tired of feeling this void when everything is so empty. Reminiscing, hearing your voice, all of now stays a memory. Yeah. Living your life, leave my behind, sacrifice. Yeah. Anything 'cause your smile always been prioritized. Booze and night, good and nights. It's funny now that I think that things will turn alright, but deep inside I know it won't. Still hope for the bright side to come. Turn a blind eye to your fucking lies. I pay no mind to the thing I find, 'cause I thought that you'll be wise enough. Can't afford to put any effort. You're nothing but just an effort. Unfortunate that I love you, so leave you was kinda hard for me.
Gave you my heart.